Today, we are touring one of the most beautiful properties I've seen in West Georgia. Nearly 8 acres, luxury finishes, breathtaking views, and trust me, wait until you see the owner's suite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shonda McRae, your favorite realtor's favorite realtor. And today, we are in beautiful Buchanan, Georgia, touring this incredible luxury modern farmhouse sitting on 7.78 acres. This home offers over 3,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, amazing views, luxury finishes, and the perfect blend of peaceful country living with elevated modern designs. If you love luxury homes, acreage properties, new construction, and real estate tours, make sure you subscribe because we have many more tours coming to the channel. Now, this is the type of kitchen people dream about. You have beautiful custom cabinetry, a massive island perfect for entertaining, and one of my favorite features, the Thor gas range, which really gives this home that upscale chef-style kitchen feel. I can already picture holidays, family gatherings, and wine nights happening right here. Now, before we continue the tour, let me share something important with you. A lot of buyers watch tours like this and immediately assume homes like this are out of reach financially, but that's not always true. Not only am I a realtor, but I'm also a licensed loan officer, which means I can help guide you through both the home search and financing process from start to finish. Whether you're looking at conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, refinancing, investment properties, or even down payment assistance programs, my goal is to help create a strategy that works specifically for you. The biggest mistake buyers make is waiting too long to have the financing conversation. So if you're thinking about buying now or even within the next 6 to 12 months, let's put a game plan together. Click the link below to schedule your consultation, and let's talk about your goals. The exposed wood beams really elevate this space and give it warmth and character. Then you pair that with the stone fireplace and the natural lighting coming in. This room just feels luxurious but still comfortable. This owner's suite feels like a private retreat. The beams continue into the sitting area, the views are incredible, and the overall design feels calm, spacious, and elegant. One thing that makes this property really stand out is the land and views. In today's market, buyers are wanting privacy, space, and lifestyle, and this property checks every box. Thank you all so much for touring this beautiful property with me here in Buchanan, Georgia. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the home was. Would you choose the kitchen, the views, the owner's suite, or all of it? And if you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or financing anywhere in Georgia or East Alabama, I would love the opportunity to help. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video because we have many more amazing property tours coming soon. Until next time, smile and be a blessing.